Good day. Today we're having a look at this. This is a Neewer green screen stand that I bought, and it's going to be assembled and put in the back room, and hopefully we'll put it to practice shortly. What came in the box is this little bit of paper. It's just basically it's a warranty thanking you for purchasing the product, and they're giving you a 1-year warranty. So we'll put that aside, and the main thing of course is let's have a little look in this bag and see what's in it. It'll be interesting. I'll open that up. Where's that go? Okay. 2 zips. And we've got a couple of boxes and bits and pieces. And this is what came in the bag itself. We've got a couple of metal stands, they're reasonable weight to them, so that should hold the frame in place. A couple of little screws, Allen key on the other side over here. We've got 2 uprights, 2 for the base, 2 for the top. They're all telescopic, and they feel pretty good actually, so I don't think I'll have any issues with flexing, but I don't know. We'll go down the back room and we'll start setting this thing up and see how it all goes together. Oh, I mustn't forget we've got the carry bag, of course. Nearly forgot that. Now for the fun part. We'll try and assemble this thing. There's a little hole in the bottom, so let's see what we can do. Back. Now I've got the $1 million question with this one. Do I thread the green screen on first, or do I add it later and just peg it? And that's the smallest size that it physically goes to. And this is full size. And mission accomplished. I've got the green screen background up, as you can see. I'm not happy. We've got plenty of wrinkles in it. I need to remove them, so there'll be a follow-up video showing you how to get rid of them, funny enough. Anyway, I appreciate you watching this. Hopefully you've learned something. And you never know, you might leave a comment. Stranger things have happened. And if you do leave a comment, a thumbs up or a thumbs down would also be greatly appreciated. And if you've not subscribed, please consider it, because that way you'll get to see the very next video. All the very best. Take care. Till then, bye.